Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining me here in the backyard. We're looking at a pool cleaning robot from AIPER. This is the Scuba S1 Pro pool cleaning robot that we're going to take a look at. So let's get this unboxed. I want to show you all the features of this really cool and innovative robot. All right, everything's unboxed. The packaging is really nice on this. Everything's packaged very well. Everything's labeled well. So we get a few accessories. One is the charging cord. On the rear, we have a charging port. We don't have to worry about like a separate charging base taking up any extra room on our pool deck. It just comes with a simple charging plug that we plug into the back to keep it charged up when we're done using it. It has up to a 3-hour runtime, so it's got a nice sized battery, 3 hours at a time. It's going to be plenty of runtime to get the entire pool clean. It has a retrieval hook, so if it's on the bottom and we need to retrieve this, we just hook this onto our pool pole, and we can reach in. There's a handle right here we can lift this up from, so that makes it pretty easy. We can probably lift like that. And then we just have our user manual instructions, just kind of a quick start guide. See, it has these nice treads here on both sides. It's got independently moving front treads, scrubbing brushes on both the front and the back. It has these nice sensors, so one on each corner all the way around to help detect obstacles. It's going to avoid obstacles. It's going to help plan out a path when it's going throughout the pool. Lift up on this tab, and then this just opens up. Filters have a big bearing on how well the pool is going to get clean. This one has a very nice basket here. The basket opens up, but this type of filter generally is not going to pick up dirt, very fine dirt and silt. You won't get that out of your pool. This one has a secondary filter. This is for very fine particulate material. This is going to help trap that dirt. So not only is it going to pick up the big stuff, the leaves, twigs, hair, and all that, but the dirt. So your pool's going to get very clean. Not a lot of robots are doing these types of filters. There's a lot of them are just doing this type of mesh filter or a double mesh. This is going to trap all the dirt. So the pool is going to get cleaner with this type of filter system than just a mesh basket alone. So it is recommended after every 3 hours of cleaning that you just clean these out. This is very easy to pull out, spray that out. The basket has a very easy clip to just push that down. It opens the basket up, and you can spray that out. This is where the debris is entering the basket. So that clips down, you can spray that out easily. And then it just goes back into the robot very easily, and that locks down there. It's this power button. Hold that down for 2 seconds, it'll power up. This first one is called the auto mode. This is going to clean both the floor and the walls. So it'll do that until the battery runs out. It'll then go to the nearest wall and park itself so you can retrieve it. So right now you can see the fans are coming on. It senses every 3 seconds if it's in water. If it doesn't sense water, then it will turn off. But if we push the power button, it'll select a different mode. This is going to be floor only. I like this mode because sometimes I just want to clean the floor only of my pool. This is the waterline only. And I like that the waterline only mode is separate from including it here. So it'll do the waterline separately than the floors and the walls. This is really neat. This is the eco mode. Clean the floor of the pool for 45 minutes every 48 hours. It'll do that 4 times. The battery will be expended at that point. Then you can get it out. So you can have this clean the pool for a week at a time. For starters here, we're going to try the auto mode here. Now before I put it in the pool for the first time, I want to make sure I have it fully charged up. The charge port is just in the back behind this little cover here. So just take the cover off, insert that, and then just plug this cord into a regular 110 volt outlet. And while that's charging, what I want to do is I want to turn it on, pair it up to the app, so that way I have full app connectivity. So I got the app downloaded. It's called AIPER app. If you just search the App Store, you create an account with your email, and then you allow Bluetooth. And I just went to the add button to find, and it's found it there. So we're going to do a Bluetooth pairing. Connect to my Wi-Fi, so just put your Wi-Fi password in, and it's just searching connected to my Wi-Fi. You want to make sure this is within range of your router, your Wi-Fi router, so close to your home. So you can rename it if you want to. So here we can choose our cleaning modes. Download an updated firmware update. All right, we're fully updated, and we can see like device information, cleaning records, and so forth. So now that it's 100% charged, we can put this in the pool and start seeing how it cleans. Okay, we have it on auto, so it's going to do the floor and the walls. So we're just going to help get all the air out of it. It's just going to slowly float to the bottom. Now after we drop it in the water, it senses that it's in water and it'll start its initialization process. It starts sensing the pool. Based on the program that we have selected, it'll then start initialize the cleaning process. For this first cleaning in my pool, I'm trying the auto program. The auto will clean both the floor and the walls, and as you can see, it climbs up the walls with ease. It sticks to the walls, has very strong suction, and those 4 rotating independent brushes provide good scrubbing to the walls and floors as well. It has strong suction power of up to 100 gallons per minute of suction power. It's going to thoroughly clean the pool through its filtration system. With the WavePath Navigation 2.0 intelligent mapping system, it will thoroughly clean all types of pools, shapes, and sizes up to 2,150 square feet. Here's an example of the Waterline cleaning mode. This is a very unique and impressive feature on this robot. The Scuba S1 robot will move horizontally across the waterline around the entire pool, using its roller brushes to effectively scrub and clean the waterline. I was impressed with how well this cleaned my pool, both the floor, walls, and the waterline. I also noticed that it did a thorough job of cleaning all parts of the pool and didn't spend too much time in the same spot. It was able to avoid obstacles easily and navigate all 4 sets of stairs that I have in my pool that usually give most pool robots a problem. The battery capacity was impressive. I was able to get at least 3 hours of cleaning out of each session before having to recharge. When the battery starts getting low, the robot will shine a red light indicating low battery. It will then make its way to the wall of the pool, making retrieval easier with the included hook. Alright, the robot has run out of battery. I'm going to get my hook. It's on the end of my pole here. I'm just going to reach down here and scoop it out. The hook's on just the front of it, so I use it to get it to the surface. And we'll drain all the water out of it. Now let's open the basket up, see how much debris we've collected. Alright, so we just pull up on this tab here, open that up. Now this ran for about 6 hours. I had two different cycles. So you can see there's all of our debris. Collected quite a bit. This is going to collect the finer stuff like the dirt, silt in the pool. So we're just going to rinse both of these out. We'll charge it and it's ready to go back in. Spray this out. Filter back in, that goes in very easily. And then our filter basket just pops in. I'm going to blow that out so that way that's dry. And then we just insert our plug. It can only go in one way. Light turns on indicating that it's charging. We let it sit for a few hours and it'll charge all the way back up. Alright guys, so this did a great job cleaning my pool. I was really impressed with a few things of this. One was the horizontal wall cleaning. This would go up on the wall, it would move horizontally along the water line and clean that area. I've never seen a robot do that, and this did a very good job. It's got these nice scrubbing brushes on both the front and the back. These move independently in the front, so it's very maneuverable. I also like the filtering system of this. So not only is this going to catch the debris, so dirt, rocks, hair, leaves, all kinds of that stuff, but all the fine stuff is going to be trapped in that finer particulate filter that's included in this. So you have a dual filtering system, so this was able to clean the pool really well. Got the floors, the wall, the water line really clean on my pool. It's also had a really strong suction, and it was able to stay up on the wall. And underneath this, on the bottom, it has these fins that are really helping trap the suction against the wall. So powerful suction, it stays on the wall very easily, and it sucks up all the debris that it encounters. Guys, so this is an impressive pool cleaner. There's a lot to like about this. I can't find any negatives with this. This one I'm very impressed with. This one has all of the features I want, and it's at a pretty good price point. This is in the $800 to $1,000 range on a pool cleaning robot. Now that is a lot of money, but really when you're getting to that price point, these are the functions, these are the kind of features that you're getting. You're getting app control, you're getting better filtration, you're getting strong suction, a 3-hour battery. So this competes very strongly in that category. This is probably one of the best pool cleaning robots that I've tried out, and I've tried a bunch of them in my pool. So guys, I'm really happy with this. This is going to be my go-to robot going forward. So big shout out to AIPER for partnering with us on this video. Be sure to see the link down below. hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.